Welcome back to Bongo's Gaming, and today we're gonna do SWAT team versus Justice. We're gonna get
AKA the robber.
yeah, he's the robber. We're gonna basically do cop and robber.
Alright, let me get in
SWAT
front, let me get in
team
front.
style.
I'm the SWAT team primary. Oh, he's somewhere here, it's way brighter.
Moving in, guys, now.
Gotta get some-
I hear him listening, I hear him.
I'm up. Found him, found him. He's in stage 3. I'm moving in on 3.
Alright,
Charge!
3, 1, 2, 3. Get on the ground, sir, get on the ground.
Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground! We don't want to have to kill you.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Drop your
Get on the ground,
weapons.
drop the weapon, drop the weapon.
Drop
This
the
is not a
weapon.
weapon. This
It has
is not
killed
a
multiple
weapon.
officers. Get on the ground. No.
Alright, Sergeant, I think we need some more high quality weapons.
We may have to come in with gunpowder.
Yo, where'd my shield go?
Hey, get on the ground.
I don't have a shield!
This is it. You have to neutralize the target.
What do you want me to do?
Neutralize the target. Neutralize the target.
Back up!
Neutralize the target.
Okay, I've been captured. What do you want me to do?
My weapon seems to have been malfunctioning. I'll just turn her off. There she goes. Let it burn. Bro, where it happened? I know it's there.
Where's he at? He's not in here?
Alright, boys. Bradley, let's move first. Trust me, after more.
He's in here. He's in stage 4. Stage 4.
I'll be threat, Bradley, if you know what I mean.
Okay, go take him out. He's in stage 4.
Hey, back up, get on the ground.
Suspect is down. Oh, he's not. That's just you.
You assaulted a cop. Now you shall die.
I'm assaulting many cops, actually. Oh, you're still alive. Goodness.
Kill you. It's the last thing I do. Neutralize the target. I need backup. I need backup. No. No.
Your backup is busy right now.
I'm wounded. I'm wounded.
Coming, I'm coming. Location, look.
Please. Stage 1.
Please. Move, move, move. Please.
He just
What do you
assaulted
want?
me. He just shot me. Killed me.
Ah, I'll leave. I need ammo. Ah. Get him down. Get him down. Get him down.
Take him down.
I'm hit. I'm hit. I'm hit.
I've been shot.
I'm gonna burn out. Room. Ow. Let me out.
He's been neutralized.
I've been neutralized.
What do you want me to do, officer? What do you want me to do,
Take that
officer?
Get away from
What do
your
you want
stuff.
me to do? What do you want me to do?
Away from your stuff.
Do not grab that. Don't grab it. Don't grab it. It'll mess up. What do you want?
Stop messing with it. That's what I want.
Bro, drop it.
Boy, stop messing with that.
Run away.
Take away his weapon.
Okay, what do you want? Now that you're out of fuel, you want I'm Bessie. I have fuel. If I wanted to, I could kill you. Wanna fight?
Gotta neutralize the target once again.
Oh no! Bro.
Okay, you detain me. I will follow you.
Okay, that's your gun. That's yours. Don't take it though.
Get him back. Come on.
Okay. Where do you want me to go?
I want you to get a taste of your own medicine.
What do you want me to do?
Stand still. Do a search warrant. I need a search
Back up
warrant.
is
I
here,
need
back
someone
up
to
is
help
here.
search him.
Hey, search warrant, bro. Search warrant.
suspect. Follow us. Get in the police station. In there, in stage 4. Hey, in stage 4. In stage 4. No, in the house. I will kill you. You missed. Don't kill him. Leave. Get in there. Hold his weapon. That's your evidence. Get in there.
What do you need?
Hey.
What do you need? What do you need?
I'm leaving.
You killed me.
Have a firewall now. Help! Kill him! Does he neutralize? Neutralize! Respawn!
Guys.
Respawn, Bradley! Don't grab that or I will shoot you! Do you get it? Yeah, hurry, he's coming. Neutralize the target! Respawn and get your stuff.
Get it.
Oh no! Goodness gravy!
Kill him! He's got the one with the ammo!
What do you need, doctor? Doctor Jason.
Killed yourself.
Kill him all!
What do you need? What do you need?
What do you need? Get out of my house. What I need.
Okay, I'm leaving.
The neutralizer. Hurry! He's coming. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. See you in the next one. See ya.